Welcome back. Continuing the news. Concerned about the increased number of funeral homes in Manchester, councillors in the Manchester Municipal Corporation are urging the Ministry of Health to accelerate regulations for the industry. The concerns were highlighted at the monthly meeting of the Committee of Local Board of Health on Tuesday. Krista Campbell reports.
We realize that there are many of them. Even in my division, about 4 or 5 you have. There's basically one now for every community.
Funeral homes said to be popping up across Manchester unregulated. It's a concern raised at the monthly meeting of the Committee of Local Board of Health of the Manchester Municipal Corporation. Committee Chairman Mario Mitchell is councillor for the Belfield Division. He says while he's not sure if some of the funeral homes' operations are illegal, there's a growing need to regulate them.
A lot of these persons, they operate a funeral home, but they do not operate a morgue and storage of body. So a lot of them do rentals. Most of them, as a matter of fact, go down to as even renting the hearse. Some of them don't even have a hearse. So people rent their cars and rent these big units every weekend. I see them in my division every Saturday, putting on the paraphernalia like the name and so forth.
And so he says the committee will be writing to the Health Ministry about fast-tracking plans to regulate funeral homes, noting the ministry's own concerns about varying treatments for burials.
Various parishes have different standards. I've been to Trelawney where I see people go 9 block rows down. We go 6. Different parishes have different regulations. I've seen people go deeper, and I've seen people in other parishes like St. Elizabeth go shorter than us, go 4 or 5 block.
And with the ever-increasing number of funeral homes across the parish, he also notes the municipal corporation, which, along with the health ministry, grants permission for burials, could be benefiting even more.
I, for one, think that we should even raise the fees that we charge. I think his average fees is $6,000 or something for a backyard burial. So I, for one, think that the fees can be raised.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.